Start. Mr. Deputy Chairman, I have for over 5 hours patiently listened to the various suggestions and points of criticism made by several honorable members of the House. But when we say education is very important, it seems that this importance is not reflected by the presence of elders in this house. Because I counted the heads and I find that not even 10% of the honorable members are present. Anyway, when the respected leader of the opposition is there, I am expected to address you, sir. Since you are present, I am certainly to address you and express my point of view. Some of the honorable members have criticized us on the ground that we are undoing whatever had been done in the past, or we are trying to change the national census and so on. I would like to draw the attention of the honorable members that even in the National Policy on Education, which was adopted in 1986 and which has been referred to in this house, is clearly mentioned at the end that the Government of India will also review every 5 years the progress made and recommend guidelines for future development. Therefore, this national census was not final. Every 5 years, such a review should have been made by us. It was not made. It took 10 years. Now, when we undertake such a review and if we suggest some guidelines for future development, it cannot be said that we are undoing the national census or we are undoing whatever was done in the past. We are actually following the national policy on education. This has been reviewed and some of the reports of the review commission have been placed here. Others taken place at different levels and we are preparing the new national policy on education which was placed before the ministers' conference. Then a copy had been sent to the various states and many of the states have considered the draft national policy. They have expressed their views. But many want us to give them more time for this purpose. I thought I shall be able to place the new draft policy before this house and the other house in the course of the session. Now, many states have written to us saying that they would require time to consider this matter, so the draft policy is delayed